Yeah, thank you so much, Costel. Yes, we abide safety regulations. Today, from our institute, we had to go to the bomb shelter twice. Yeah, but we keep working, we keep doing, and we are thankful to all our friends, to our Ukrainian defenders, and that's why we keep the spirit. Yeah, so today, it marks 8 years as I wrote the first ever lines of Steampunk Idle Spinner. I will show, let's open this world and take a look at it. So this world is very simple, just green background, like the very early testers say, remember this as green steampunk. This was initial graphics of Steampunk Idle Spinner, and then I reworked it, made another version. But then I restored it because I and many players also liked it. So you can just spin this cog. So you can buy another cog. In the original version, you could just drag purchase to here. But then I reworked how the things were working. So we can place another cog wheel somewhere here. We can start spinning it again. So, and in the game is full of some unexplained secrets. This is why they're meant to be secrets. When I'm just spinning, well, everything looks so fun, but we can start increasing money much faster when we just tap the coin and we get 10 times increase. So it's just permanent 10 times instead of uh, 5 up to 40 times in the workshop world, but this is what we have. And this was in the very original version, and this is how I decided to keep it. Okay, and by the way, coins, if you notice, it doubles every time, so it goes 16. 1, 2, 4, 16, then 32, and so on. So my plan is to buy one more cog, and then get an engine to start it working. Yeah, so the gameplay process is quite meditative. We just buy another cogwheel, then we buy an engine. We connect this engine to the cogwheel and we can spin it also. We can now upgrade the engine. I'll start spinning really fast, 1000. Maybe I will get something like a 10k for the balloons pump. Yeah, this is where we are aiming for 10k. By the way, we can drag the screen. Oh, we can get yeah. So now with the taps, it should be faster. Yeah, we get a temporary 41k, 41 times bonus, and let's get to 10k. Yeah. Now we get the balloon pumps. This is how they all these balloon pumps looked in the very original version with all this fancy connection, chain connection. And you see here these cogs are different. So the engines can be connected to these cogs. One and yeah, I should use my bonus while it's still active. Let's earn some money and then we will get. Yeah, initially it's a mobile game only. Oh, and now look at these uh, balloons. So we have the first balloon, and maybe we could just Upgrade for all the money. With the balloons, it's quite a meditative. Uh, okay, we have one more cogwheel, and in the very original version, you could not just drag elements, but then many players asked, and this was to let me drag the elements, and this was the main reason why I released the other game on. Okay, the bonus has depleted. Other games like Engineer Millionaire, 20,000 Cogs Under the Sea, because I needed a field for experiment, for gameplay experiments, and I was afraid to break anything. And only when I was sure that the new model, the new control system does work, only then I decided to keep the game, to update the game. So yeah, the main part of our earnings is from instant coin tab boosts. Only the machine brought 4K, and have some balloons 700, and balloons brought only 75. So this is current how current system works. Okay, let's revisit our well, let's revisit underwater world for now, because we haven't yet unlocked everything, but I will now look at it. Oh, okay, so these are the whales, and this is how it works when we buy this whales tractor. You see these sound waves, like whales can hear sound very long at very long distances underwater. Maybe I should add some kind of sound here, like a sound from the whales. And here the whale goes. The whale goes all the way here. And now the whale brings. Oh, I sped up the time, but okay. See, the whale just brings air here. And this air is transported to our main machine. Maybe I will 50 million. Well, it's too much for us. 50 million. Yes, and this money goes to our main machine and gives money. So machine gives 234 million drills. Okay, so our main machine is now our primary um, money maker. Yeah. One more bug I noticed. I want to just explain it more. Like, okay, let's check how much money will we get from the machine 72K. And when from this amount, we get 567K. So just 500K from a single wave visit brings 500,000. Very nice, great amount, I think. Okay, another, what can we do here? We can mix gases. Bubble duplicator. This is what I shown you. Neon collector. Yes. So we have different types of underwater volcanoes. This is my this is the game which earlier gave idea to my next transmutation game. So right here you have different types of volcanoes, and you can put this gas mixer, and you can place this bubble tube and one more bubble tube here. Now you can connect this one here. You connect this one here. All right. So, and you get this. So you get these red gases. Special. Yeah, this storage is filled. You get this oxygen. I don't know. I used some fancy names. And we have this green gas here. And where to use it? Where to use it? All the way to here. Maybe I will just do it this way. I will connect this one here. I'll connect this one here. And then I will add this helium collector to the to our main station, and I will connect this bubble tube from here to here. All right. So now look what happens. Yeah, we'll just place it below. By the way, we can do it in more fancy way, and we can place a bubble duplicator. Oh, it's too expensive. All right, that's nice. So we start generating gases here. All right. And now let's look what will happen. So all these gases go this way, and now helium, generated helium, gets all the way here along this tube, and it will fill in this container. And let me make that everything will go smoothly. All right, and we start gathering, and this will provide additional boost to the money maker, to the money creation from our main machine. Yeah, and also and we can use this neon color. Yeah, so we used inert gases like neon and helium. We have additional neon collector for 5 million. Yeah, very soon we will get those 5 million. What else can we do? I think we can boost. I will take one hammer from this to this. And I will take maybe one hammer. Okay, we have time. 4 million. Yeah, very nice. 15 million. Okay, now we will use this neon collector. It will be additional booster for the machine. We will use this bubble tube. All right. And we will bring the income of this bubble tube here. And yes, this is where we need the bubble switch. This is a bubble switch. I will connect it this way. Maybe I'll just drag it up point. Yeah, very nice. So like this, and then I will use this bubble switch, and then I will drag this. I just need an edge. This to this, and I will need one more bubble tube to connect precisely this way. Yeah, all right. So this is how it's working. And yeah, I will just do the same with another bubble switch here. I will put a switch on this place. Now this tube will enter this switch, and I will add one more tube as an exit of the switch. Yeah, you see, we have such elaborate system here. But very strangely enough, not many players are playing underwater game. Maybe it appeared to be too difficult, or maybe the concepts were not explained really well. I don't know, but I'll put an engine here. Maybe it's because it's unbalanced. Yeah, but you can build such interesting types of. Yeah, you see, so pretty soon you get a rapid increase in the amounts of money you get going from machine 24.26.2 million. And what about the drills? Ah, the drills get depleted. Yes, yes. So the drill reached to the bottom, and now, well, now it's time to sell this drill. But well, just selling and rebuying it doesn't work. But just this drill got depleted, so we will connect another drill to it. Yeah, and now this drill will start working. You see, so this is how it was meant to work. I will just spend all the money on those drills, and we get so much money from it. But once the drill reaches the very bottom, it's depleted. So you just get stuck, and you have to buy another drill. So it's depleted. It's one sense of depletable resources, just like you get in the. Oh, hello, Noes. Glad to see you. Yeah, uh-huh. Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much. The game is called 20,000 Cogs Under the Sea. I was working at it in 2018 in May and released it in November 2018. So all of my problem with this game that maybe I didn't explain enough how this all these concepts work together. So I'll need to work with it. And also this game world, it will be in the among the 7 worlds of Steampunk Idle Spinner. So it will be like in same game on PC. So and right now it's on mobile for yeah. And what I see now, I will need to heavily rebuild the game balance to keep the game maybe more not compelling, but to keep the progression more according to the what player sees. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, we will get this. Допомогти? Yeah, yeah, we will get this. And yeah, what I wanted to do, I wanted to use this bubble duplicator. Now we're duplicating the oxygen. Let's see what will happen if we yeah, we get this one here, and it's doubled. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, we're getting blue coins now from the machine, from our main station. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. And now, what type of coin will we receive? Yeah, now green coins and so on. Cool. And um the submarines are exploring the seas. Okay, okay. So our machine brought us 34 millions. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So, the game with each upgrade, we are reaching closer to the sea surface. But to see it, we will need to reorganize our production. Um, I think I will just adjust the types of upgrades to make it more gradual, and maybe adjust the exploration because right now, oh, we saw the whole. By the way, do you recognize these crystals? I'm a big fan as a programmer myself. I'm a big fan of using my art in one project than in another. So when I just oh, I need a cogwheel. So just when I use a game, draw something, then I try to use it in other games. just like this. Okay, now we have a cogwheel, and we will get an engine, and this engine will receive the boost from both two crystals. Yeah, and we will, yeah, I will upgrade it full. And I will upgrade the hammer to full. So, and wow, the story, I'm just making it up. The story, um, I drew in 2019 when I was in the incubator of in Finland. Uh, it was a game startup incubator level up. So I began to draw various steampunk characters because, well, for me again as a programmer, it was difficult to draw people, and I decided to overcome this difficulty, and I will show you. So these characters appear in the games. Well, maybe here they are. Steampunk. Yes, I started from the steampunk, like it's called stock characters, like mad scientist, professor. Then a lady, I thought, that, okay, she will be in charge of the portals. Then a man, an aeronaut. So this guy appears here in the underwater world. So I want to build a main lore around it. By the way, I for this character I got inspiration from Phil Folio's Girl Genius, and this one. So I started just. By the way, I wrote them asking, does it resemble much? I'm not using the trademark. May I draw a red girl who will be in charge of the machinery? They didn't answer. Yeah, and also did have an idea to make a game from Cannon to the Moon. I promised it to the players in summer 2019, but never delivered it. So, so shameful for me. And also, since then, I stopped promising something. I just decided to work as it works and to bring new content. And when it's released, then I show it. For example, then I drew characters to the idle tower builder and to farm and mine as well. So I want to just organize everything in this single lore, and also this will depend on in which order these worlds will be in actual game, so in actual Steam game. So in which order will these game worlds be unlocked? And also among the promises, uh, I promised a game world with like travel to the center of the Earth. I had some working prototype, never shown, but it's right on my computer. And one day maybe I will complete it, but again, I promised it to the players. I even draw characters just right now. I want to find them in my blog. No, it's maybe too long post. Yeah, but when I find it, I will show it. I will show them. All right, so yeah, we have quite a life here. Well, for this one, I think I shouldn't just account increase by one, but it should maybe take a square root of this amount. I will make a note for this. I have this document where I yes, yes. I also like Phil Folio's Girl Genius, and in their setting, they're called sparks. What is typical like mad scientist who creates something impossible or what people think impossible. So they're called sparks, and the history of Europe, roughly like 18th, 19th century, is rotating around the rivalry of these sparks. Okay, I will. Mhm, um, okay, tap. So how I call this piece of machinery? It's like tap accumulator. Aha. Okay, by the way, I think we can right now add this feature at once. So I will close the game for now. I will find this object, tap accumulator here. So we have this amount accumulated taps, this one. Uh, and how do we use it? We use this additional value. Well, I think we could. All right, right. So it's already something is already here. If several coins just receive one. Yeah, they receive just one uh, each. So, but if I allow using this step accumulator, right now we have this one, two, three, one, two. We have this 17 million. So we should get 17 million. Well, it's not a big deal because our main earnings are much more than those 17 million. Coins from machines. Coins from tap. And we got only 187 coins. So this is what I will do. I will times square root of accumulated taps. And then accumulate taps will be decreased. All right. And also I will show text not to fixed 0, but I will just make it. All right, I will make it this way so that we don't need all these digits, just need a rough number like um, not once or k thousand or millions. So now let's. How will this work? I guess I will make a release build. It's faster and there is nothing to debug here. And if done, this will make this point done. All right, 20 million, and we receive coins from tap accumulator. 2 million coins from tap accumulator. All right. So, by the way, how much do we get from it? Let me. Yeah, I will run a debug session now. How much do we get from it? All right, so here we have accumulated step is 1 million and added value is 3,000. Yeah, very nice, very nice. From 1 million, we get almost 4,000. Every time the coin has increased by 4,000. Very nice. So I mark this done. Very nice. And I also had one more point about tap accumulator. Yeah, this one. I now this is fixed. So let's quickly check the workshop world. And tomorrow we will go to the engineer millionaire worlds. We will take a look, check balance there. So let's check. Okay, let's check this one. So for the workshop world, I had one idea today about how to speed up its progress. Because right now we don't get quite many balloons. Okay, I will start gathering coins. Oh, we have 1 quintillion. Oh, so nice. We need 2.5 quintillions here. Let's check our stats. We need to get more money from this tapper. I will speed up the timer. We need more. We need more balloons, and we are not getting many balloons. We got them mainly from machine, interest from the storage, and we got only 14 billion of balloons, which is really only so little. But to get more balloons, we need to have our engines below the level um, of the steam collector. So what I want to do, I want to bring this one here. All right, and I will bring all these engines here. Oh, well, I really don't need this long portal amplifier engine. Yeah. I really don't need this long line here. I don't need it. I need to make it smaller, especially on PC. What if I buy a portal for quintillions? Can we make it straight? Yes, we can make it straight. Oh, no, wait. Uh, to receive the speed boost, I need to place them this way. 750 quadrillion, too much. I will use this one. And now I will use some more cogwheels to make it more straight. All right, and I need some more cogs. Maybe I'll just buy a big one. No, we definitely have enough cogs. I just need to bring 3 or 4 here, and I will just place them in this way. Wait, and now I will take one more cog here. So this is just one of the secrets of the game. So you need to have these engines below the level of the portals to get them into the steam machine. So just one of the game secrets. I need this cog here, yeah. And I will place this one somewhere. Yeah. All right, that's perfect. So right now, I think for the next time we will get into maybe quadrillions of balloon pumps. Oh, we have billions of balloons. Interesting. How much will we get from it? I missed it. Okay, these billions of balloons. Now I will, yes, I will get a boost from it. All right, it's 4.408 quadrillions. Not much here. What about the machine? Yeah, I can easily spend 27 quadrillion here. I can get 2 mine levels here. 8 more. So this button now spends 10% of the. It's only in my version, but I'm going to upgrade it. So right now, the previous Steampunk Idle Spinner update should be live on Android as well. It took the most time to get approved. All right. So let's look how will this work. So yeah, we have steam from all these engines. What if I just add 2 to 3 levels to each of them? 13 levels, gremlin. Well, monetary rewards need fixing. I will check this. All right, so I guess that's it for today. Thank you so much. Yeah, we will continue tomorrow with checking what's going on here. I think we will be aiming 93%. Hello, Flame Fox. Yes. Right now we will get back to our artificial intelligence Discord session. So because we have exams with my students this year, so yeah. All right, this is how our game world looks like now. We will return to it tomorrow. Thank you. All the best to you. Bye bye.